Get the ball rolling. To start something. Let's get the ball rolling on our new project. The teacher got the ball rolling with an easy question. Climb the ladder. To advance in career or status. She worked hard to climb the corporate ladder. If you want to climb the ladder, keep improving your skills. A blessing in disguise. Something bad that turns out good. Losing my job was a blessing in disguise. I started my own business. Missing the bus was a blessing in disguise. I avoided a big accident. Beat around the bush. Avoid saying something directly. Stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. He kept beating around the bush instead of answering the question. Bite the bullet. To endure a painful situation bravely. I had to bite the bullet and get my tooth pulled. He bit the bullet and apologized to his friend. Call it a day. Stop working for the day. We've done enough work. Let's call it a day. After finishing the report, she called it a day. Cut corners. Do something the easy or cheap way. The builder cut corners, and now the wall is weak. Don't cut corners when studying. You need to learn properly. Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not at all. He arrived late to the party, but better late than never. She finished her degree after many years, but better late than never. Break the ice. Make people feel comfortable in a new situation. The teacher told a joke to break the ice in class. I played a game at the meeting to break the ice. Get out of hand. Become uncontrollable. The party got out of hand when too many people came. The kids were playing nicely, but then got out of hand. Hit the nail on the head. Describe exactly what's wrong. She hit the nail on the head when she said we need better planning. His answer hit the nail on the head. He understood perfectly. Hang in there. Don't give up, be patient. The exam is tough, but hang in there. He told his friend to hang in there during hard times. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. She burned the midnight oil to finish her project. I had to burn the midnight oil to prepare for my exams. Learn the ropes. Learn how to do a job or activity. It takes time to learn the ropes of a new job. He's still learning the ropes, so be patient with him. Jump on the bandwagon. Follow a popular trend. Everyone started using that app, so I jumped on the bandwagon. He jumped on the bandwagon and started watching the new show. Throw in the towel. Give up. After losing 3 matches, he threw in the towel. She didn't throw in the towel and kept trying until she succeeded. Go the extra mile. Put in extra effort. She goes the extra mile to help her customers. If you want to succeed, you must go the extra mile. Keep your head above water. Survive difficult financial times. With rising prices, it's hard to keep my head above water. He took a second job to keep his head above water. Hit the ground running. Start something with energy and enthusiasm. The new manager hit the ground running on his first day. We need to hit the ground running to meet our deadline. Burning the candle at both ends. Overwork yourself. He's burning the candle at both ends with work and studies. She burned the candle at both ends and got sick from exhaustion.